Alright, thank you very much. Gitaringiri rega tukimurika mwerekera jwa mugongo. Ninkirukia miaka 60 nyuma ya Kenya igucionera uciathi kuma kirinjara cia Chomba. Baba kana tuwe bayoyo bakirwira uciathi bwa Kenya na ni miaka 15 kuma tuicio watira katiba injaro ya 2010 na rwa 2025 rwa twendera celebrate 15 years of katiba mpya ira na a comprehensive bill of right ira ni mawatho ya gutetheria kwithira kuri na uhuru uciathi bwa sovereign individual ora ni mo Kenya ithira na rights and freedoms kubithia manto fulani kwa fulani na ithira ikiana mitaratara mingi urungamiri bwa thirikari cia matoraki sorry ininya thirikari ira nene kana national government kia mwerekera functions cia obwonga mutongeria watwanya mbali indi bando kazi ipo na nibo ntu kutegera mwerekera jo mugongo 60 years after more than 60 years after independence na 15 years nyuma tuishonera katiba nchero matuko ni jago chenja mpwe indi narua turi na mwirigi Kinoti Kaguro, a political analyst ora tutetheria kuthuya kundani ithira amu kuri na Chomba mwiro kana mugoloni mwiro kanari kithia katiba ningi devolution is working kithira Raila Odinga nyarieke ya kuga Kenya ibatuwithira ina less than 47 counties known to kithira United States of America. It's a continent na ina 52 impangara Tanzania kithira tuina 47 kithira CDF NGCDF yumenjare neshia MP idanwe county bosses kenda baingia mandate yono nto kuringana katiba the only three functions ya mubunge na utiyo kirida toyu ilio ya wakibwa irashi kana yani bombasari ni representation legislation na oversight. Kaguro, good morning kedia mutegeri wa Meru TV nwethe nyage tungatira kirimeta kinadi at Meru TV Kenya. Karibu.
Mbere ankethie muthikiri wa Meru TV na Thira FM rieto mirta mwiri Kinoti wa Kaguro kuma kule Abothochi West. It is true kabue naruira ni twathiria miaka around 63 tukugwata uhuru kana independence na twathikira tongeria baraba utwathana no betwira 1978 Kenya neo Kenya nere ndi mbere ta Malaysia. Na naro Malaysia betwira neo imbere yetu by almost 100 times. Niki leadership. In Kenya politics ni more profitable nguruki entrepreneurs. Number 2, in Kenya civil servants are more richer than developers kana investors. Na in a developing country, the first thing they on the rule of law. Na rea to change ya constitution ye njero era ankoro to ya kire njero it is kwethirwa constitution ye ankoro nere na gaps ira cia tomaga ndi ithirwa ina reductant growth agana ni uchoka na nyuma na yo tego bona bua ni maybe constitution ya rena neyo itari itaraina nthi kuringana population kana na bila bikwendeka kuthithua nthi 63 years ago after independence naro Kenya kwi services tubati kutha tu struggle nacio na mono health iri mwecio na education na economy. Those three services are very important kiriantu na naro tu struggle janto 1970s when 5 presidents in place. Twara Kenyatta, twara Moi, twara Kibaki, twara Uhuru, na naitu na Ruto. Those are 5. Now, those 5 brains ahead of us, they economically, otherwise, na education ni batikuwe very far. Na tubatikuwe la tuirinji mwe na developing the third world class countries. But we are lagging behind because of politics. Now, politics in Kenya now is instead of making the country to grow, kana yetetheria nthi gukura politics ya Kenya na ruwe ukara ichoka yandi na nyuma. So one of the reasons ya ku change a constitution yetu gwita 1010 constitution ikwethirwa tuendaga ku-devolve services kija closer to the people. But we seem ya to-devolve corruption, na to-devolve power, na politics. So to-devolve services. Why Google? In the old constitution, ministry cionthe ira ciaeja na services cia Nairobi, na nthi yaeja wa kana region yaeja wa services depending na ure ringite kura. But the new constitution, the new dispensation, the 1010 constitution, ikio kuona ne retere thirikari uto gweta cia matura. Having compared Kenya na America, cia America is states. That is why America is a continent. Chetu na cio, they are not states. They are counties. Somehow a state or somehow a county. Only that the difference, a state in America is run by a governor. The same way a county in Kenya here is run by a governor. Now the difference is the population na area. Area governor wa America and governor wa Kenya kugitate. But na functions. But now here, but we in Kenya, the rule of law ite kuthingatwa. And the constitution ite kuthingatwa. Na para bati kuenya na exam na baka thingata the rule of law, the constitution ni kenda functions ichi omba gwitangugi that the ones ibobo shuna. Na ba shuna utindi omba kuprongiresi ite na rule of law. Na tuka discard constitution then gutaina need ya kusinja constitution no tuno tuka tongeria ndeto mike to follow the constitution. No the constitution mutharimi itathithiritwe mwathwa. Constitution yithithiritwe bara bakeja kwathana. Iberaga atiri antu banthiji ri bariuga twathwa uriku unu tukwenda kwathwa. Na ira tukauma over the constitution now utindi tukomba kwatha kaino ntu tuketha tukiatha nthi na mathwani jetu turahatho bakwenda kugitate kwathwa. Constitution niyo amitaga boetha mwandiki wayo imuntu wari focused. No ntukwe mantu yarendaga
tena mukinya kawaida.
Mwananchi wa kawaida afiru na kuuni ntheu na aria taxes nendaga omonia okay through those taxes benefit ya taxes you through those elected leaders ni gutuma thika progress maisha yawe no ntu if the three arms of government to an executive to the parliament the judiciary na kirisha duilia you see executive is number 8 parliament is number 9 judiciary is number 10. Why legislature at the center? Because parliament is the new institution area, if I mean indirectly attached ki mwananchi, directly attached ki mwananchi through members of parliament. Kwou mantu jarea mubunge ta kwariria ntu bakwa wendene parliament kana bile bako oversight bila biboteria mwananchi ndene parliament biuma. But now this 13th parliament, according to the survey, it is the worst ever parliament. The worst ever parliament since 1963. No, to parliament, it has purely become a commercial parliament, where instead of doing oversight law, they are now doing business with the government. And that's why you see things matgamengija with astray. Now, Raila kuga, this issue of CDF, it is good, 50% good, 50% bad. No, tunande CDF yede tianto nkombo.
Also, nkombo nanje.
Instead of CDF, either keku open services to the people, nande ete go control anto nikenda bomba ku vote. You are relying on the right of voting. So that is the main purpose. CDF ni umukire purpose yayo iratonya ge purpose ingi.
This service itumire ya political
tool. This service nande itumika a political tool to be elected if you are in power. Now, how did CDF came? Ki constitution ira ankoro kutindi mbecha chia devolved. All the money was in Nairobi. Na the member of parliament for I think somewhere in Nyandaro there who brought that bill of CDF purpose ira kendo tetheria bendaga kunaru services choka. That is how it came. Likiatumita bunga by CDF. But in the new dispensation, we need more CDF. Why? We have now removed all the money from the national government to Aretaki County. na county nio being small they are ni batiko thikio mba kurenda services na mbechiri kuma national government na ilopo correct fully without nikenda parliament ga play role oversight fully na ige play agaro oversight iteko mashio services will be seen no tunande don't be no compromise no tota kwe yani ote mashindano jale on between the MP and the governor imbi MP avidia imbi governor gwetata the MP will oversight the executive na MP nwe agateithirinya counties through kinya county assembly ko oversighting governors although governor abati kwa oversighted by the county assembly so that oversight will be very clear na etithira ina any contradictions no tokethwa witite weta parliament wantu baku bakethwa baiji the main law yaku iko oversight mbio services ira national government ikwejana kwa ugo tena nguya barabara tena nguya hospitali na MP kugia kwifure kwa kisha mbeca ni utumika bwega na audit ni gwita as it supposed to be.
Rais Ruto na wire they are corrupt. Awa babu ende abunge aita parliamentary meeting Karen wire nande babu nkabochambura na nontu bwa nkabochambura abo enda kure muno. Awa parliament ni twikete ekurungu kiare nkukuo na iri abudirie jobokazi ira itawa mutenjense ya kurwa na corruption inya gethira court ni arungamirie uni indicator in executive kidogo ni wigo yaka ekonoa ni the parliament watu kakwena nkirano katika these arms of the government three arms of government Rais Ruto na kuga parliament corrupt na bano na kuwa kwena irawa jurispesa kana mbesha igurutanguge instead of justice kiri makoti yetu kiri rwangiro gambithania ni untu batire CJ Martha Koome akiruria matamu no akiugare mantu yare ma kwerekera bura ukwenda ukathwania ka koti yunkume kwena unkumania ni justice being followed so kwa kara kwena tension between these three arms of the government nontu why kwena tension na already kwena functions your obonka arm of the government she is stipulated clearly the constitution.
The 2010 constitution is spelled out the roles of every arm of government. But in the same constitution, Kenya is one unitary state. Yani Kenya in the one. In Netherlands divided into 47 county governments. And who is the head? Which is unitary state? It is the president. Now, President Jojo is not brought by the parliament. The people, he is elected by the people of Kenya to serve, kana run the affairs on daily basis. So the role of the executive in the new constitution is to run government activities on daily basis. Now run on daily basis, it can transform the life of the people, the economy, the aero sector, the infrastructure, the security, the education sector. That is his law. Nikyo kuona constitution, in the new constitution, the president mandate na ni kuga any executive member wa party wa executive akethera politician. Edre muntu from a profession somehow okumutetheria kurani. Na ete omwa guidance no abati kureta. No ya karende one no agaita no ngugi kena thirikari we mba kugitata you serve the people of Kenya well. That is one. Now, when the executive complains about corruption, na itu amwere tools of power, na itu andonetera that power through the ballot. Na ndiri, ali tuira wananchi tuita kuthithia ate. We do what? Tuita kurua corruption tu wananchi na kana tutumira tools ile kugweta kuruai. When he is now complaining, tuira atiri, this corruption na ije nare kuma nontu mandate ira tomwete tesa sawa na ije who are the corrupt na kinyago form multi agency team ya corruption iwite tethia nontu already to another body mandated by the constitution to fight corruption igwetwa anti-corrupt ethics and anti-corruption commission na ethics and anti-corruption commission ikaja kwa power Syria constitution kana power Syria power Syria constitution eba etichi tekongana then iboba babati kwa tools na powers na enough resources to fight anti-corruption na baka left fully 100% to fight corruption. We have seen thrown after this election, and to on the Marina cases corruption. By those cases were withdrawn. They can have other posts in the government, to win a case in the court. Now, who is now interfering with these matters of corruption? Now, where is the parliament? No, where is the parliament? Where is the parliament? That's the question we are asking. Where is the parliament? Today, as we start, it is 16th of September 2025. Na miaka tano ithairena ntuku 1820. Na ina nditwathiria 3 years. This Kenya Kwanza administration, it was served for 1,132 days. The remaining days for the election to be held again, it get around 638 days ahead of us.
Ninkai.
And we voted 9th of August 2022. Then the next general election will be 10th of August 2027. This is how. Now, the fundamental question the executive and his team should answer to us, in that 1,132 days, what transformation ya life yangu to kuona? Is it seen? Ni kuona kana? Ni kuige kana? Kana no it can also be no judged? Because leadership is about what you do to the people, services to the people. Now, when government comes, you don't complain about the previous government. You've been given the burden of the other government. So you carry it on your shoulders. The problem is the best country in the world. It improve. Thirikari urera thithirie ĩĩ ĩkathithia better than it ire Kenya kathithia better than it you know development ikio tutinde kwa ndio Malaysia iri mbere yetu if Malaysia is free
na twambiririe kinya gwa kinya na 1963
no it was we are itwari mbere yo Malaysia that was 1970
Singapore and South
Korea these other countries but now we are behind them 100 times almost almost that one
leadership
it is I told you kabwenda kwira Kenya a priority is politics more profitable kurukia kwa entrepreneur in Kenya. Civil servants in Kenya they are more richer than developers and entrepreneurs. Investors. So then at 63 the factory ngana Rwanda pure create jobs. Because the white collar jobs, in the government, it don't back enough. The population here to get a king Rwanda.
Actually, 8 million youths.
In fact, 63 years old, with 5 presidents, the cost of electricity should be very low. As we stand today, Nikenda to Komba will produce what is being produced in China and other countries. Commercially, what in China, we can use it from here.
Sure.
Commercialization industries, it will bring jobs to the market. Now, two, we can improve economy because there will be a lot of markets. There will be a lot of activities of market going around on and on. Now, Kiri 47 kana Kiri old eastern provinces here. To add in a factory in the eastern provinces, yet our provinces by then, the 8 of them, none. Today, with the 47 counties, to in industry in 47 counties. Apart from ile chiaro kabereri avi atuongerete kana itaukite
actually
kaitaukite because I've seen
sugar Moroni sugar
if they have then Wembwe and so many other other companies about 1817 since 2022 yes and they came to have closed there.
What's the problem no
now
the cost ni sugar inya kethera John Bandi CS or treasurer awire na kethetera PPP kana public private partnership akiuga ekethera ekionjuridia some of these dying entities kana companies bando tutaona mururumo kana kuriuka kwa Iwanda B sijui either solution itakuwa PPP kana ni kidogo kuina something deeper
I think
orongamiribwa company
kabwe this issue of public PPP, it is good. But one of our major problem with our government, it speaks more. Kabaraia mono, more than to implement. Na bakaeja na a lot of theories, ite kwa applicable. Yes, PPP can Europe. It was in a Adan, it was PPP. When a PP ingem kwa a factory na what? But directly from the point of where they are sitting, kana kwa area. How long will it take to implement? Nikenda mwananchi akaomba otetheka because these are not standing. Tuko chairongi. Na problems ita achieta igi increase every day. They need to chokaliyo na rotichike they do rojo. Nyake uwe they will be different. Today you want to you okay, but you may wake up and by the 5 o'clock you are sick. Na sickness you to miene. But the need dire kunina sickness because you are rot. Now more speaking a lot and promising a lot, then Kenya is at the end of the day. Now politics in Kenya has become a matter of promising. Just promising, I mean, releasing a lot of messages to the public. Political rhetoric. Then giving people a lot of hopes. Hopes, it commercialized. But when you come to the ground, it is different. Na mantu jaja monthirikari etukwirwa kana ekuga biega na MP or governor kana the presidency, it is a matter of budget na resources. Naro kinyanka uga ga kandracha kavita ngari machuma and there is no resource and budget for that. That's a matter ikuga. But implementation you take every area. You can implement. Yes, you can implement in a bit of budget. Now it is high time mwananchi amenya atiri kintu kira ngwenda mwananchi elewa nande how powerful inya a vote is. The vote inya ekurenga na tathai he has run a lot and he has seen a lot. Na thomete mantu maingi na thonete the power of votes inya yai
ekura
the power of votes. It is very good and very dangerous. Kiutoroi wawe nakeja kutho kuruta realize the power of the vote na arua at 15 years of devolution nitakuona gweta ingi mtu etereta ku realize the power of the vote.
Tutelewa mantu na spindi mwe
but now
na spindi yake
vinci ni uforce au kamenya mantu tukaikomenya nijo and the problems can force.
So what is the power of vote?
The power of vote yankwenda mwananchi ona what is the power of the vote. Ndira ageta cast the ballots. Uka cast ballot because no nenkeri ngiri. Uka cast ballot muntu no nenkero mbaka na jaire. Ugeta kuringa kura no ntu muntoro kuringira no mutu na kana no muraja kana nekirite miwanu ja kabwi. Kana what are you voting? Imbio yongo kuringira kura. That's the power of the vote. Na ndira anto bakaria realize the power of the vote. They kabwa. That will be the first day. Au ni oto kambiria the beginning ya the Quran. Kana gukara ure andi inge developed countries igitate ikara.
Ni mbibi tumite this culture of adults mbere we ngo father this culture of adult no ntunya we ngo kiareria manto ya power of votes no kwithira we na concern ya kwewa kanyamu tokenism ira kithira ni mbeca ira nkai mtu agero bwithia bo na itonete nya vijana baitumiro bubui kwa guns kana akora kwaragania mishemenio ya tongeria bamwe ba gisiasa kuthangalania biashara cia bamwe na babange inya irwa rekere ngatheti ya The Standard tukona kwe officials ba county ya Omabay batumira vijana kwa akora kutharikira mwandiki wa mteto nondo akumurika onto fulani kiri thirikarira. I don't know the culture of tokenism birenya tota delineate kana kwariria mantu yigie the power of vote ina twatirie twi mugongo mwanka na ndigi twika kironda genkoye
mantu tokenism mantu jo kuija thirikire nau yeu nandi ni political rhetoric yani wagi mathuganio ntego mire tori turingu tumbo tumira ni uncivilized yani kwithira antu batena mathuganio chaina mitwe bui mitwe ite sasawa nonto what is the power of the media information iro power na utumba kumenya jara ya America kana jaja inthi ingi fulani utina that another center of power rega kwa that information. That is why we have media houses na shina freedom ya kutoa that information.
Sure.
Na kwa tuika tukaitha information ina ukweli, then utigi ntu ikiega kithawa. Actually, if you have realized, utigi ntu ikiega kiomba kuithwa. If you build a very nice house, utimiitha wiriga inya ruthingo afwe yo no mabati no to ni thigiti tate lakini utomba kwirigira nyomba nyaki na ruthingo roiga ti sasa no utomba gukire nyaki wingi da ruthingo no to te thongiego no to ni nyaki obvious. Now information of power ni open antu mathugania na metho na kuthink better kuruki orora thugania we mantu omba kuthwa wiji jo better lakini uketha kwi mata jangu better. All right. And that is one of the major reasons we go to school to get that power of information. Na actually, tuikaiana school nikenda to open the mind. You replace an empty mind with an open one. Sure. Yani you replace mathugani jo theri na jena jo tumbika bwega. Na ndi kuga a media person arauro na ro membi no ntwa kumurika mantu jatirendeka imbirare au itirendeka iwe irathithagua ithirikari itirari ne tumi kina moinchi itebati kuonu mwana inchi kethera kurungi utiraije buga gitate. Then there must be something iwe irakunikawa ni undingi kara sata ni undi bati ku progress na muthemba ju bau batongeria bati kwithura betu ira na aru tutam batuthure for the second time. Of course mwananchi na bati kurani na ndi that is one of the power of votes. Sure. Two, we have an education which is a very very important.
Bwana Kagoro bere kwi kiuria mburiria utake gweta nio inatwatiri mwanka kutuga kwina culture ya handout.
Now,
na tokenism.
I think I answered this question this way. Our forefathers, na that was how they are kariegita riu. Politics in Kenya and Ivato atuikatiri. You cannot even be umbake kwa elected kedho komba kumobilize antu na mbecha. That is the only time umba gwita in power.
Itareka no.
Whether it started. Whether it started is igitara Kenya takarara kanu. Na trend yu yeje kamati na yu kamato na bo anto baraba ari ahendi baraba athomere kaucheu batamigarurire apart from go othomi kaucheu tutagererio migarura tuitanto power is not money. Power is about services. Na power imbrings kana imessage ro gaikiria antu ire gatuma transformation ya maisha itherereo iu nyo to batikugira kura tukwerano na au mukuri I mean aroke dranturi power eu ajukia ubatigira na iu na ndi in the first place nyo kwirira atiri we commercialized politics. They are more profitable than service delivery. No kwera we around politics in Kenya are more profitable nkuruki a person who is an entrepreneur uroke yake factory kana ke kiwanda kingi kiande kyanto ngirire kana ithatu ba na revenue from that one. But now handout iwe ngirie mo ngirie 10 kwateka ni more profitable nkuruki utinda kugitata kwariria mantu ja mini Quran ndi through other Quran ndi through services. Now you can only run the country through powerful political inspirations. Now they wake at you. Now that is where we started. And as we progress, not unless paratoka dura kana to get to ambiro change a narrative view that power I mean to go to power better. It is how you transform the level of the people. You don't want to change. And when you see Martin, this must actually start with governance. Not governance involve the resources. Resources you governance. The very time governance will now start now transforming services to the county. You can even be elected as a governor. Not to grant to bakienda services. But as long as power, political power will be about money, kabwi we will not change no tiko gikagaruka
kwi musemo Yuana Jongo with more power comes more responsibility indi Kenya yaka kwarukite buraurike kuga that politics ikwa commercial that I give money to get money na bakinya nara garone yao nara mbunge nene bakauria machinations kana njira cia kuishongela mushara ti manto ya vehicle maintenance ti allowance bakongela timbi bakongela otunya getha kwina kokera kwa Wakenya concerns kidogo batakuthikira no ntende nyabo bakiagibarua ende onindaita kwa ushago ngaitwa arambine O50 na ndaito ke arambi ucio nde 50 nka expectant it is expectant of me ndire mwashimiwa barua cio ndi ngachithira mucie ona weekend but kwithira ngi si attend to na ngaikia kithani 10 that is 10,000 okay ndamtu atikwe yaka mushimiwa yire na ngiri imwe I don't know inya batu Kenya katochangia kana ne economy kinyete au atugende Kenya nabo ba allow this commercialization of politics.
Kabwe, what is trend? Trend is where you buy, sell, make a profit. That's all trade. Now, if politics has become trade, that you are to mirror 10 million, kana 50 million, elected as an MP. That's how. With kana okay expect every weekend. Okay, there are various and what na mantu yangi ya maingi. To get a 4 as an MP, you need trade. You trade your didiri. Nonto they don't get an area. Go to get resources you can allocate. In the first place, you have 50 million euro to make you are in business. Now the one is business, the one's profit. The one is profit. Mundo wakara ku make profit. Out of that 50 million, you make. Kana?
Ni kwe boba baringa okora kulingana na ripoti ya
auditor
general.
Ango kuonia nande in reality. In the normal human being, ni oto kwalida nande. Iri nande de toeka nationalism nde twachoka ki matters of commercialization in parliament. Nationalization we to aumbia to ata you know the pathway to go tokwero
Adi now get the kiuka code of conduct.
yes but now woria three woria mwananchi no changia kikyo kwejete kio kuria kira woria mwananchi no changia 100% mwananchi no changia na niki mwananchi no changia mwananchi no changia no tunagwe were mubunge weta parliament nuye services ile mwananchi abati kuewa isina struggle health education into biiri na economy ibyo tomanto ba struggle pakadivya rambe na as a member of parliament if you register properly and oversight properly na county assembly ne ko oversight properly ne kan properly in the county assembly manto ya governance in the county kabuye tutina aru at 63 tutoto dokiara iri arambe hospitali
Sure.
muntu kabati ko akiwoka in hospital get treatment go home
Wewe tena sha.
no gagwita arambe no gagwita nani no kwera no muntu kabati kwithirwa akiumara akaringa biashara ikona chini maana iri maana ija no tumbese china value akagura mutu onkima akagura sukari akagura eria akagura somuni akaana no garoka gwapu koromba chini wegana
Whatever.
nani tukwera I am now putting ndenda gwikira abunge on the heat no to ibo to nandi ibo the center mandu yo ya kwaki ya ibo directly answer buke mwana inchi cha kukinyarira tesa sawa narwa shukuru ndene Kenya turara wire education kwa tuika ito separated the people tuina school cia class ke barabara na becha private schools na tuina school cia kawaida cia ndo kawaida but kithomo kiu na exam no now where in the rest of the world twina cukuru cia thirikari na cukuru cia antu binafsi. Cukuru ibati kuthwa cionetwo thirikari.
It's a common practice kwithira twina private schools,
No,
lakini ibura Kenya
no,
kwina disparity iri nene.
No, in growing in a good country na nthi njega ikumbalance antu bonthe the same. Health, education, security ibati kwithirwa into bibingananitie muntu wonthe. Because
unless in a socialist economy ya China, lakini ki capitalist ya America baina private enterprise entrepreneurs baina shukuru na kwina isha mwingi.
Na ndi cietu ri ni Kenya ri atia nguria cietu ni Kenya. Better schools cia thirikari ka cia private.
Of course, kuringana na statistics cia private.
It's a private. Now, since when thirikari umbo chindwa kwithira ina school njega, private sector gethe ina school njega. Sibitari thirikari tebati kuthe chinda wono anything. Thirikari ni bati kuthe na better schools gurukia private schools. No, to the more you make private schools will be better. We are commercializing that. Atoko did commercialization on education and more especially primary schools. Sindio? No, to ataka secondary school cha thirikari cho better. Ke primary schools cia private schools, secondary schools cia antu tu. But primary schools in Kenya, private cho better ngurukia mbio. Why? Why are secondary better but primary it better? In fact, in a good country, all government schools isi bati kwithirwa antu bonthe baina feeling ekugita atia
sina
equality with school ya thirikari because you meet there, we engage there, we socialize there, we compete there kana
sure
that is it. So nyongo kwira atiri if all those things ndakwira health, education na economy ikethira into bionthe if you function well mwananchi uri kuita kwa mubunge ikitia maratasi ya kuithwa na atita kuthirwa ako mubunge akwenda othana irambe cia ko muthuthia yarambe kuthia biashara ako muthuthia yarambe ya kudutangare ndege tatua uthia yarambe need basic needs
sure
na hii mono iti skuru na health ichicho chumburanto na ni into biuke ya kuithwa na ndiri members of parliament batiagisha meake uyo onde be to the level imbie kagiria imbie gatoma bana iguru baruga cia gwita arambe
itabidi no twende
because
kunyeleka
onto we iwoete muntu ugo na muntu ugo umurungamirite kithirikari na muntu ugo wategete kethi wategete na yopwe ne eri ne imbie kagiria kuletera baruga imbie tomora kuletera baruga cia gwita arambe
tukiaria mantu ya
kunyeleka na parliament atuga atiri in totally and simply they failed.
Wanaangusha Mkenya.
Wametuangusha.
Wameangusha, they are not doing their mandate.
Kabisa completely. Wametuangusha completely. Buru.
Bwana Kagoro, tuachoka mantu yegi mantu ya the power vote ntaolwa ninkwenda nonto kugeta mantu ya education, health na economics. Nkenda twariria program ya mbere tuni thirikari. Nonto one of the mandates ya barabai power ni kana barabai responsibility. Nonto power is responsibility na kwa service kire a Kenya ni gokiria Mukenya kiuchumi kutuga kuina growth na kuina development in the country. Thirikari ni ambiritie mutaratara jokathi ni babainge na mutaratara judirite jokio loterwa na guguturango ikutho ni bamwe na juni mutaratara jo empowerment judirite jogitua na mbere tima bisake banene thirikarine inyagaro ni rais William Samuel Ruto ere mujimonene jo Nairobi nitonete tia Kenya bakainda ke bagitano kumamero indi rwarua inyarimo ni bararigaro ni rais kwa ile maneno hapa na pale kwa inua pia nkenda kuigwa your thoughts on that program ya ukiria Mukenya kuma garo ni rais na monini okay Professor Kithure Kindiki, your thoughts on the program ya empowerment.
Kabwe, what is empowerment?
Empowerment ni konjoridia ukiria gokiria kithia you empowering youths gokiria mo youth kithia empowering women gokiria ekoro
on what ni ngwenda gokiria mbi on what
kiuchumi
on economy
nontu tonete bikibiki ke anwa tonete machine ke anwa ni tonete some goodies ke anwa kumagaro ni rice injira ya konjurithia vijana kana bokeria kiuchumi in other words.
Now, Martin, I mean, Kabwe, let's go back to the constitution. Because everything, at the end of the day, kana muthia jwa ndaika, ithaa, tuku, mweri kana mwaka, tugacoka ki constitution.
Sure.
Na Kabwe, mbuga goi gita rionthe. They is rule of law. Two, respect of the constitution. In the constitution, what is the law ya thirikari mbi? Na law ya mwananchi mbi. Kenda tujakirie torubu tumere empowerment. Number one, mwananchi ena responsibility as a citizen kurea tax.
Sure.
That is the primary law ya citizen. Na wale ya taxi hilo reaga kenda thirikari kwa basic services. Na through that tax yu thirikari ukirietire good environment kana environment njega egwitira ngugi, you empower yourself. Tukwera no? And through that empowering yourself through that environment njega, the government will also collect taxes from you. Tukwera no? What is the role of the government? And why do you elect government? Number one, utinde bwa kwetena thirikari. That's the first step. Utinde yeto ande bururu whatsoever itena thirikari. Utinde yeu. Number two, thirikari ngugia imbio. Ngugia yeu ikueja na services. Na ekieja na services hii, we have the maybe 5 main services. The government has the right to protect maisha yaku na into byaku. Nonto wowe igwo tonga bo thirikari. Thirikari ito tonga bungi. That is why correct taxes kids. Na ya collect thirikari thirija business. Is a business here ya it's not. But this service thirikari ite business and trade. Wananchi wo bati kudithia biashara use trading na big those kind of now ya kali into byaku murinto wonde na right ya gwita school. That is a service. Ibat thirikari bati kuitata kuhejana. Muntu erite na right ya health care. Hiyo service mo thirikari iko bati kuhejana. And above all, thirikari bati kuona environment irabu itranguye ni economically ni vu ikenda mbese chida china value. Na mandu jau jonde igatigira wananchi trade between themselves. Bikibiki yu paketho barenda ni ya bongo koi.
Do bongo.
Ngari barenda ni ya bongo ai.
Do bongo.
Tukwera no? Now, when the thirikari na ndiye jaki kiri ngugira mwananchi akorita ire o ithire na ndi ni ekorita. Kato compete ya thirikari kuringa biashara kana thirikari kato compete ya thirikari twime ya service liko batu tukwa thirikari kenda to compete between thirikari etegura bikibiki ega kwegana. Bau bakwenje bikibiki ri ina bageta kwenje. Why are they going to sell? Ina to compete ya thirikari banks ikienya na mbecha na bo thirikari ni kweja na ingi cia kuthithia ate. Kana SACCOs ni ruguri. There are a number of SACCOs. Sasa sawa. Na ngugia SACCOs yu ikwendia mbecha. Ikwendia mbecha tu. Now thirikari ge kwendia mbecha kana ge whereas thirikari ibati collect taxes igachoka igeta kwa wananchi igeto rieto empowerment. Whereas it totally you that is totally the biashara you ya thirikari and as thirikari to rana ni rajo kire thirikari it has become a bank it has become a SACCO no kwera nandi na ndi to mire taxi na tuije to embesa iriku iu to toka thithia cioi biashara icha kura bikibiki na wheelbarrow na kuringa business ingi actually you te empowerment.
Sure.
Na this country inve itongeretwe ni antu bairi bathomu sana. Okay? Na nyabo bongo kiemiarie bakiari bakuga Kenya etona antu bangi atongeria bangi bathomu.
Sure.
Jabau na ndi bati gwita kithomo kiu gikari ni gwe bati gwita abawe sekeja kuthia titi the rest is politics. Nukwero mwananchi na bati kwera the rest is what?
Politics.
voter hunting. Kuchwambi. Vote
Kura.
hunting.
So,
It is not empowerment.
In your opinion, Buranda iko kiuga, the empowerment program ni political tool.
Two. Voter hunting. Kuchwai.
Kura.
Kuchwa kura.
Ikarata iki utikia 2027.
Utege into kiriau in the constitution. Thirikari executive ye kwa round.
Na baraba kuga ni tutethekete ukirokira mutaratara jo. Baraba kuga oni ndare yacheke indi nyuma ya kuringwa njeki. At least bikibiki nkomba guikiria mwekuru kamutu na ndi ndaba ureire uniform.
Mate ni thiri kabue. Thirikari iri utongi kana thini. Ki service delivery?
Ari. Ni ya kila mtu.
Thirikari iri muntu uro thini no uro tongi.
Ari. Thirikari ya bonde.
Thirikari iri ya taxi iri ya baba tongi kai baba thini.
Kila Mkenya.
Iri ya baba thini. Now.
Ari bonde. Kila
bonde iri ya everybody. Now. Rira thirikari ga take position. Egotueka ni a certain group of people iboe bugitera ngugi. What about the rest? About bangi. Yeah? About bangi. Ewo oni mpero bikibiki. No nto ntenayo. Owo ya wembi.
Onpe kivya ni saloon.
Owe ngari.
Ari.
No nto yote ni empowerment. If you are empowering, you should empower everybody. Kako ndito go empower certain class.
Ature empower bara.
Ari, utero empower. Thirikari ri where inaye na rowe ko empower the rest and the ina rowe.
Na unajua as much as it's a government kuna that role yeke ya kurutanguge in the sense of constitution kuna role serious ya executive pia it's also mean of politicians ni bonto the end of state pia ni a leader of a political party na ki political party ili na manifesto na kiri manifesto kuri na baraba ina interest bara those that formed the government na kiri stakeholders ba kuri na madoganio bari na jo kalika na tondo tu baranire na clarion call bottom up wala wako chini hawa vijana boda boda would you feel that they are delivering to vijana boda boda?
Mate ni kabwiri Kenya ni onka ki political parties?
Ari, of course, all over the world. It's a common practice.
It is a common practice in the world. What is the role of the political parties? Kanangogia political parties to bring democracy. Number two, to bring competition. Na competition ya politics in MB. What is the main law ya politics competition? Service and delivery. Kako ibingi?
Could fulfill the manifesto, of course.
Service and delivery. Then we come to the manifesto. Manifesto, yes, it is there. This is all. But that manifesto outlines the constitution. Does it outline the rule of law? Manifesto is to give views. It is to give people what is in your mind. You know how concentrated your mind is in terms of taking the country to the next level.
Sure.
That is the purpose of the manifesto. The manifesto, it is gives what is contained in your mind.
Map.
No, it's a map. What is that mind of that person? In view, so that we are competing, we are politically competing. That group comes with a manifesto. Then you engage. And to one there no in a better mind. You can the next level. It does guarantee kuma on the rule of law. It guarantee kuma on the constitution. After the election, after the election, we go back to the rule of law and the constitution. Now, purpose the purpose of it. At the end of the day, because when you say the economy is growing, I heard somebody else saying that the dollar was 160 shillings.
Of course, only says John Bad.
No, yes. Today the dollar is 129. To measure economy and then strength of the currency, what is the value of Japanese yen? is 148.
Sindio?
And then the dollar is 129. Urenda ombira mutharimi economy in Japan, economy ya Kenya no better kira Japan?
Ari.
Yeah?
Ya Kenya?
No better kira Japan?
Ari.
Yeah?
Ari.
Ketho tutu kuiria Singapore ira twari no class kemwe.
Asian tiger. Japan
then why should you measure the value of the value of currency na growth of the economy? Growth the economy, macroeconomy, the growth of the country kabwe is supposed to be felt. Kana ebati kuigwe imwana inchi urori ndi no bati umefiro.
I feel besa chemo.
No bufiro, no bati ufiro na economy kangiro na circulation yembeche kethere enough. Na service thirikari kieja na kinyote uretie muntu. The mood miaririe mirithirie ni kwira economy
mambo yana
ngirwete ten digits digits kinyato ngetara kwa treasury but the economy the inflation was 9, we are now 4, what those are just mathematics. No kwera those are mathematics to borrow money from other countries. No kuiwa nandi IMF and what, but mwananchi there growth. When Kibaki came in, let us give an example. We had a very bad economy from the previous regime ya Moi. Na Kibaki atatindo totally ya masabu ya inflation, the currency was 140 and what those kinds. He came in straight and indeed ure economy ya batiko viderua. No kwera kende kitata. And within a very short time, less than a year, it was to feel economy has grown up. Infrastructure is a change evenly. No? You can see even today, infrastructure ina nyingi to kuona, in fact it's ya Uhuru na Kibaki. Dito kwa hiyo kweli.
Kuingi kudidwa.
No, let us speak what we see now. Tebirabi kudidwa. We are speaking about progress. You know, if you want to progress in Kenya and politics, araidi yento kirage ke kwero ikyoki. Tekirage ka you have been there no leo indi no ureo no enderete kudo leo. Like let us have touchable. No kwera wanani? Supai we to supai we deka. Yaki I Kibaki. Na iteto nyeri to leo. Inaba more than that. That's all. Private universities chiejere gita leo. No te private university nya yitiri to leo. Leo. All these microfinances na sakosi ngira yo lessons. No kwero. Mbejira fruit in the banks, but you ona bakwa. No to dirikari te dire rokomoroi. To kwero nande. That is a form of injecting the economy. No kwero. Na dirikari niyo ia fight about rates chia bank. Chikene nama na bank inachiona nde ikae uhuru bokorendi. Becha depending na ira bena chio. Whether we ingina boto kona bakwa butene ke interest kende irombo na sakosi chia roroba. Ndinde economy ne gukire kana etagukire. No ugere economy ne bui. Dirikari to ire kai mwana inchi ugire Kibaki and done well.
Ni mwana inchi ugire.
Yeah?
Ni mwana inchi ugire.
Tuonere ndi secondary schools ni. Yeah? Kwe muntu naru otakinya secondary. Tongoro te kuiba. Tongoro uria muciarire jo wao ati umba kithomo. Kaiga gwa ati kiumba na mantu yangi. Kakiumurema. Ati gita riu ri kwe muntu riu wakwa aka kithomo no tuba kutho to open education. Na eko open education the more the mind. Dokwa mind cia open. Na mind ikuruguka security ya bua. No to muntu na akwera watiri kuraga ni makosa. No to na that openness of the mind. Kucommit a crime imakosa. No kwera kithomo me ikarugurire tiu na muntu kwera watiri I can do not only wait for a job. No kwera I can do something else. Dina kithomo gako na ka benefit na ka faida. So what I'm saying issue we economy ni ongwara ile ngakwira atiri that one empowerment. No digo wali de man the one empowerment. Ni onkwera ya ko expand a bit explanation kende karajo that empowerment by the government. It has nothing to do with the growth the economy. No kwera there are better ways. Ilirio dirikali bati ku open the economy na ike inject no kwera money to the economy. Kibaki no arugurire trade ya cha raia gwita biashara na dirikali, which is a very important aspect of injecting the economy. Dirikali it saves a lot through competitive tenders. kethi cha barabara cha kusupply nambi and even less na easier to run tisa so and through that no to ngugiro ero thirikari waita na waita ndari wa nkabangi ngugi nkantu bangi ngugi indire kurito na bangi na ngugi gaitwa nongi gwicha thirikari ni nyingi mono na rira chikweja no na chichi open economy no ndo oni ethera ndinio wote nio ngakwangu gya kuita ngugi yote tisa so ngakwangu ya cyber unditera maratasi kakwangu pia IT unditire kitu fulani ngagutuma pali fulani wete the site visit ya ucha barabara you see it opens the economy no kwera wanari nekethera ina circulation of cash na ndi empowerment you with empowerment collecting taxes giving back money to the people as handouts into empowerment that is actually corrupting the economy na corrupts economy.
Sure, be that as it may, every government in the ina challenges yayo inyagitenere ya Kibaki kware na unique challenges at that particular time. Again, kushukiri nkatho bara batu ngatirite enya tukita ki mantu ya vote the power of vote, the power of mtu kwithira ina ugiboke arande bene kuna Kiki Mburugo kuna Mwari Mose Emmanuel Tuj MC Tesh Alex Motedia mang bara bawita mbere ko todingatira Alex akiwa great show this one ita mbere wa tutakirete kiri TV ku Meru TV Kenya kiri Facebook na ki YouTube at Meru TV Kenya follow idira comment kiri rwaria tukenarua turina Bwana Mwirigi Kinoti Kaguro is a political analyst to Kemureka Mwerekera Jwa Mugongo 60 years after independence and appear 15 years after the new constitution. Twina now devolved units kana county governments nitia kwithirite kugita nambere na Bwana Kaguro nkende nande udirikiria your thought iracioka ikonie mantu ya voter kana the power of vote and then tukadira tukimurika nonto kwariria mantu ja national government. How are we faring as the county units nitia shidite gita nambere inya kede no guzire wa sometimes it was unfortunate in some sense we devolved corruption ibigiro kila sentiment yetu tukadira tukidhoya kodani tumenye why ukuwa we devolved corruption onto inkona kuina weti nambere bo weta nambere kuina irazi beisi ndibi wako kuina feeding program kuina other amenities ira ikwedira kiagiridwa ne thirikari cia matura ote manze there 100% bad na 100% good ende twambiririe ara tutierere mantu ja the power of vote nontala nerie matuko ya neti we have less than 700 days bere tudira to ikinya kidrona kinene nkila na gisiasa 2027 enyo kimbira bura antoba abo nara bare ende bere watuira netia idone ya kuriye mutaratara yore kyode kya gisiasa
manto ya devolved units kabwe the reason why tokuwa somehow devolved units isiteretie mono it is one of the best actually way of developing a country almost 90% but 5% okuwa in a problem ya mismanagement the public funds wastage na theft and you go onto only Tandi ECC, but I can see a number of people working in the counties within 2-3 years they end up in court. But they end up with a court including those governors. Na toigua cases ile chieku chiao chi involve corruption sum of money. Pesi nyimo no. Chi
sama duo
kana chinyangetu kana itumiribo thuku. Nande kethira mbeca no wina cio miaka yite no tichiawe na kethira kuri antu bangi baina cio through we ni tuimita corruption no to no the end of that government na kwou corruption yu ethithirwo etithirwo ateo te sasa number 2 auditor general atuthomera mbeca iria itutumiri bwega riu nio twamita wastage tesa so yes iciatumirwe indi etatumirwe na priorities iria ciendeka kana ciatumirwa na njira iria tabati utumirwa nio twamita na chungu wastage na ndi from a ruku iria tukuona through cases irio itukuga we devolved corruption kana na ataumba kuga ungi nonto it is within the devolved unit tesa sawa lakini ekethirwa utikisi kuonora although it is not 100% ekethira utikisi wamba utimuntu raikwa utowaikwa court for the 15 years area kuia na for the 15 years utimuntu werwa au kwikyo kirathithwa in the wrong way kenda gito corruption then tutithotho kiaragia mato corruption
oni ntikiwa we devolved corruption mbumbiga kuwa government ni akinyire akwe na mwananchi kirira in the own constitution yari Nairobi lakini sasa government na government functions siri akwe na mwananchi na wikwa ati thirikari ya akwe no motungata ya thirikari akaithira akija mukira akwe ibuntu kwina in every county kwina huduma centers na kwina offices of ombudsman na some of these facilities kanainya functions imwe ishi gotetheria at least mtu ko feel there is a difference kire igitenderea ya constitution na dai at least kuna devolved units gotuika mtu na kufaidika directly na kiorigo kurwa directly kire governor kana kire ma MCA barana boni bako oversight the county government bakorwa na babu itu abutumire county assembly why are you not doing this non to boy to kwira itu kwenda kidima antere itu jenta mission ara mudhara non to boy uta kutaenjwa kidima
that's ndawa atiri ndambiria kuga atiri devolution is the best
sure
is the best way of governing a country devolution go we are the right foot mantuneja devolution but kinya the reason why you say to a mere extent corruption was involved to a certain percentage which have sounded 85%. At 5% it will devolve the corruption. But corruption is individual character. Kana? Na stealing is individual character. Na inya wastage is a collective responsibility. Not wastage menya the way sirika itumeka temundo moeda ratumirite ike wastage ya number is only priority. But when you decide to steal, you steal alone. Kana? May you decide to steal laptop, may have kwa iya sa corrective no bueno na constitution you are the accounting officer wa county. You are responsible man to whatever will happen in the county, you work answer. No bueno you are that's the constitution. No bueno nani? Na ndenda 90% in devolution has worked very well.
Sure.
But in a minimal resources from the national government, 85% out of 1%, thirikari ane nutigwa almost 85%, which ne bati kuongongera.
Of course.
Ika reduce nyayo burden, ikethra mono iretigi ne kuopa policy. But services are down here. It can serve the purpose. But now, nayo sheria eka family used. Mantuneja corruption na theft. Then devolution iriku kende take free. It can either function of free. Are you getting what I'm saying?
Oh, yeah, sure.
Na ndio kuwa when we see anto baraini in court by stealing 280 million, 250 million, 300 million, what, all those things. Na
Hilary Barchok
na bangi na to an extent tokoro kwe bangi but on the line we kwai court. Then we say actually almost maybe 5% we involved corruption. But we are not talking about 100%. I'm talking about 5%. 90% has worked. Now, where the power of vote is coming now,
yes,
it is when mwananchi akona mantu jaujo achionera metho yawe achigirwa metho yawe jachoke jamuthangikia miaka 5 na achoke ombaro tinerea achoke omuntu ro kuthitha yante tuiriku no kwera wanandi
yeah
ne ata thine muona kana atonya mantune jatiage memin mantu jawe utoro bo awasiri ni ata tutemwira that is the power of vote na tatero you the power of vote that is the power of vote kana you know the power of vote na utemuntu umba kuga menya kinyoke ja kwithirwa kinya Jesu akeja narua uroto utonokeria twinde na araturuirira na aratukwirira na mantu jonde jatwiriria tuga mwathani atutethie Jesu na atuthitherie akeja narua kairi akeja akauga unire ni mwenda gitika president tu na Kalonzo no akarungama akauga no kwenda na president Ruto na akarungama akauga no kwenda na ibuijo Jesu bukara kwa Jesu bukaba mantu akathuka kakwende wimbulime au kombrema na blame yourself wimbremu
ni wengwa no
wimbremu wengwa no ndikwara mutethia no ramure na ndikira raini iji
utumira extreme example
no kia raini iji angu kwa example
ukureta yeso category yetu tureana damu
batu Jesu brand of Jesus ira one tuthambirie twindemenya kana teu
lakini the point was kwareta Jesu
nungu gwira atiri ndamureta no nturi menya jonde atuthithia tucoka akwirira
ukiwa tu inyanke baki kana
ari atucoka akwirira kibaki is gone this is how is gone
sorry
unetire tukariria ndo bara atukuga atiri in case ya acoka kairi ino tututije kethera twira wa Kenya kana Kenya ocoka na tukerwo Jesu tukarega this is how when there are serious problems kana crisis na tokero Jesu na tokarega na watu na ndikura tokuringa chindi tamaino na tokareo muringira kakwendi jakathuka tumburi kwa ndumburi mu only I'm still on the power of the vote nakwenda kuonia mwananchi the strength unyengo na mwira atiri when you go to vote ndira weta kuringa in fact let me tell you kabwi kwere 5 years intuko ngirie mwa magana jana na 20 na ntuko iro icha kundita maini ntuko yu chionde is just one day kintuko ireko from 6 am to 5 am polling station ikagitata ikaingwa na that 6 am to 5 am urero atiri ita shape maisha yo turo buroga atura ntuko yu ngirie mwa magana jana 20 on daily basis teguo kwero go out no kwero ita kamata ku kibande na kura weto udi oche fry firiko you for that it's just a day
sure
no kwera ona ndi na ndi that day might cost you for another 1719 days in safari
sure
kanega transform maisha yaku tukuicho that is determination of one day na ino kwenda kwira mwananchi the power of vote yentuko iwe mwage eta kuringa kura let natege manto na ritho na tege mantu na angu nara kwenda okinya nara kwenda gwita na ne ata gugakara tantu kwi wegitate iwe kure gitate the foreign day gugakara ta utoro ne bwa that is what I'm talking about the power of the vote no gwera nandi no it's not a war it is a matter of determination yani you make the mind in determine no kwa muntu akiuga atita kuringa kura I think that is the worst and the very ever useless system you do na keja kudo taringa kura then you should count yourself.
You are being very harsh. Maybe there are some reasons.
You see, Kabwe, you are now grown up, and there was a time when you are a tundra. Sasa so na mami okuna baba okwi beta kuringa kura. Beta kuringa kura ndikenda ugo withira njite gaje uri na aro Meru FM. Sasa so withira na ndiria tugwita kuringa kura tino because of myself now lakini ngotaka generation yerere nyuma yakwa ndienda ithira nthikari ate when I leave this country te anka uma dunia ene jeri baude no tote muntu te generation behind him akwewe utwe na ndi generation yu ni othe wari ekure to kugitata to kuringa nandi te sasa watiga antu bauna why you leave those people wabatiga ndiriko why are you all of us rushing to America nikituinde to kurashi ugeta embassy America na in the morning ki consul officer antu paraba kwa apply visa cha kuma ndi veta America you wonder kedera gekoya tu
bago to
better opportunities indi ute muntu arainite none of the rest of the world none of the rest of the world ukedra embassy ya Nairobi arainite atekende jo opportunity aliko
kwina investors
muchungu no utuma gwithira embassy Kenya ndene America ina antu igana ati ari no ivisa ari uwe visa qualification beterete aja kenda beja ndene Kenya but naro geta German embassy American embassy Canada embassy batu Kenyans tumeja hapo niki
to be fair we are developing country na barabo mbiga kuya in a developing country ni investors
tukatura miaka ngana tukajwe kenda to develop
it will take time
but are we it will take time utote kwangiri it will take time tuinjirene injege we ku develop tukaraja bo
no ibondu tukwariri na tukumureka mwerekera mugongo ekenda
na ndina inongo na ndino kumira atire the only way out ya gukaraja na tukwenda gwita twinthe na tutinda embassy twikite miraini kenda toewa visas the only way is the power of the vote
kuchinjia na kuleta
the power of the vote
na 2025 ekwikiuria ngogare kiuria sokuria iteneria Kibaki you are well aware vision 2030 5 years to go kulingana na assessment yeku how far tukinyete kire kwa achieve 2030 vision inyambere tutayithira twimikinyira
na the vision kana blueprint ile thirikari yagegeka kenda ithire kinyita certain level most important of it in implementation na kwirire kinyo amita vision kama meta blueprint kama meta whatever the name implementation is the most important
sure
na vision ya Kibaki 2030 uko kweta kethira ita implementary successors bawe menyete itakinya kega kinyigu ibio maybe amitigirire na 5 years nego ni another 25 years ikuthira 10 years without implementation ikuthira another 3 years without that is 13 plus 5 years 18 yetigerie kinya that tetoro na ndikaga implementation ide inegeta kiraito murugiri wa kiuga atiri na ari na was it vision ya Meru County 2040 something of that kind na yajane yaurire tesa sawa kinye kethira yari ngundi ya maguta nthenge hatuge kikimiru ndio yero mumiru wa into ikiaga maguta ya nthenge kinye kethira yari nthungu ya maguta nthenge ne kwa implementation igateithia kabuena na ate
the problem kire tu manifesto yake indinya vision ya 2030 ni fulfilling kana implementing ya some of the key project ira sharekwa indi kwina ire weta nambe konza city
you see one of the major problems here to naturally kapui in our infrastructure projects kana economic projects ikurega kuendelesha iri irambi tu ibarabara leo tugeta kuambiria ingi nkuru iri mbesi iri project iri gatewa isiatumire taxpayers money a lot of money na ikatiganirwa na ciau na ndi gwatuika economic wise gutingu irateithia tugwerano then when I come as a governor tugwero kana I start ngambire na ndi project ciakwa with a view nugwona with a view in my mind ntikwenda kugetanirwa ni ireja kuringania wambitie nugwera wana ndi ndenda nani mwana inchi one ndina ciakwa riko ungeja ata ichionde akambira nawe chiai in fact kabwi let me tell me that is the highest level of wastage no ndo putumba kwambira project ya billions of money when somebody leaves the office project you abandon no kwero ira ambiria ingi kithiri barabara cirambitwe na itithiri barabara iti ambitwe the previous government ibati kwa completed nukuga ikathira nukwera na ciathira ikambiria kureta economic value kiri mbio kiri taxpayers kiri taxpayers people money sasa sawa ciambiria kureta then araikathirira then that regime ikambiria na ciayo nukwera wanandi urio keja nwe akamba kuthira challenge mwiriko ikambiria kureta economic value kiri mutumiri ai wacio tugeta without progression but now kaja kuthwa we shall always be throwing away project twambia keni kiandege kaguma ungienda agita ni kiru ya tumire milioni magana tu barabara yeja yambwe gatewa factory yeja yambie gatewa now mbecha yuri economic value mbecha yuri na ici atumikire na ici ari taxi ikeja gutethia muntu ena
na milioni igana cio tumika. I'm curious na cia kinyithiri morandi yo
riu nkuria igagutethia ciina na murandi uyu aterwo na ici ari mbeca ciari taxis no kwera onani ku thina number 1 police ni bati ku change buru na ito bati parliament ni bati ukarande must transform ega play no that ba kurukia buru uti project njeru ipate kwambirwa ira nkuru itikitete ate tithire na inya wenda county as governor kinyoka ja kuthote kwenda kuwatanura project ya muntu ungi icho kwamba kuthira ciembere no to wina mutu mumu jote kumenya atiri project fulani ambitu fulani ende atathiririo oro thiriringania that is created by itself.
Take an instance ya housing, affordable housing project murandi urambiriwe ni thirikari ya Kenya Kwanza, lakini upinzani for example Rigathi Gachagua riwa akaya kona gite kiu you will abolish inya ti kwagirithia.
What he saying ketha nkuwa orakuga if ketha ndathikire orakuga aruga nyombe uchiaki within the county chaki within the devolved unit na most of them chirire kana chiaki on a public land
sure
ire bati ku benefit everybody the individual na eba kuga atiri no nto housing itari ngo ya national government kwa kanyomba nyomba ibakanengera county governments chirani county government na chio ichokeria baraba ba rite besi iriku revenue revenue within the county the revenue away of revenue within the county baraba akombora is part of the revenue within that county within that county na revenue that county ni combalance the equation ya muntu wonde no to revenue re yete ga kabarabara tesa sawa ikawakira thoko o ika balance everybody's no kwero ni kwa muntu up platform way so if kethe ndigirwe kiriari guta kurwa kuwa bagata you policy but tia eu ni atu public motivation gutuma be anto be jande agitite ate ari but when that time comes twathurane okainde akwire ndikwira okainde twathurane mante ja thai na igitare uthirikare kura ciari ngo twathire the following day the law must the constitution and the rule of law must be the order of the day
tuathikire sheria
the order of the day
na igitenerea kururo ciathi inya tukiarire murekero mugongo what happened Professor Joseph Gitile Naituli augire igitenerea Kanu is an historian auga igitenerea kururo ciathi kaborio itario ku serve the people, the Kenyan population bareo gukaria chomba gukaria bongwa baraba okandamiza Mukenya na choka wana akiariria the case of police brutality kwithirite kuna kesi nyingi cia Gen Z gutautora bwake wa ni tukite si utumishi ko wote ni tukite yakaborire tene yakaraki itonga na okaria baraba in power instead ya gutumikira wananchi wa kawaida no kwangri na sentiment yu na kithira bona
na itori is a political analyst muthikaira muno rira kwaria na that example akwejana it is varied in one way or the other depending na gita riria riareo na in Kenya today kintu kiria kina problem ni ira tuita independent institution independence yani kwetho institution ni independent na mandate ire the people of Kenya through constitution police is an independent body na police itepati kwetho aina interference and directions from anybody okay apart from the Inspector General Police uwekirite uniform we na bo ministry kana minister i police guidance abatetha iria nacio on how mantu jara thirikari kwenda ku implement na sheria ure gatumika ura bakwenda enforced ukwera now kwatuika now the police independence ikura of course you serve mtu umwe you serve individual person.
Sure.
Na individual person yoyo obviously will be the executive.
Sure.
Why? Because he is the head of one unitary state.
Yeah.
Tukwera no? Na noe wantu ba Kenya baere power of votes, mandates. Bando niti power yao pamwira you are iwe mwene batwi in terms of government policies. Tesa sawa. Na ndike ya kwithirwa neu na police independence ya institution. You know when executive is there to batikorani ndira mathukani jawe to batikora and they batikokuri institutions ikarani ndi no one time kinyoke tho ume yate kinyoke tho ino ume bungana ta bokorani ndi ata imwe rukama ngo igitare gakinya na wete but institutions will remain according institution ite remain institutions remain so the most important thing ni institutions ikae with that independence na ikaranwa as government institutions nikenda inyarujo ikethra antio kinyampo umenyata institution will remain na they kethra i proper being run by institutions no where so the independence of institution is the core value ya ndeo beyond no where na core value nio na institution independence nio it is a clearly now trained to the constitution na nio ngoku atiri whether na itori will say those people are serving the kabori eu kana maumau jau kana whatever then kwena problem ekwithirwa institutions in Kenya itina independence ire batikuthira enio kuitanguiri batere kuita na institution niyo temenya kuma ome the rule of law and the constitution lakini siga interfered with cia one directions sikae one direction here out of the law out of the rule of law na yewere out of this kind of the constitution tesa sawa na ndi tukethro twina ndikariate now we are spoiling that institution and more we police atukamie the more worse ne batikwira nikenda inspector of general police with that independence a police officer anto bathire maandamano oragana that police officer will be answerable through that institution
sure
now to now marire ome a bill of rights which is outlined kirimbio kiri constitution lakini akaja kwithirwa it is the minister for interior who instructed the commander of police in Nairobi anto baumara shoot to kill kana president yoro were shoot the leg you see now that is total interference na tutekuwa turiuga ure constitution yetu kugitata i total interference na ndikethera ni interference ngithire ya another order shoot to kill na constitution iriura police te kuragana ri ne gukaria anturi na that is why tukura bunduki ukura iwore ita taxi ukura na risasi ure no uterora uri criminal no gwera uterora uri criminal urioragwa ukiraia utetera uturo bwaku right yeku in democracy na rule of law ithingatwe ibyo uwo tuma risasi uwo gurite gitata ikuraga that is interference with the institution no tendi ite bwekari itumbo kurekari u
tukwera kwita mitumairwa Mantua state capture lakini
it is one of the state capture ni we yani the institution ito function independently you ita state capture no we the capture tayo it's the executive tukwera no the question is why is the parliament kenda kudwa kwenda state capture yes
what are they doing and apart from that the current constitution ni the minority and the majority in the parliament kiribara bashinda wakithurano bagaita rutererwa opposition baka the legitimate opposition lakini since 2010 tutaithira turina legitimate opposition nonto in every electoral cycle opposition igwithira kurina gintu kiramo siasa mowa a mongrel of government aujui ni nani ako opposition aujui ni nani ako katika serikali ti itaria ya thirikari Kenya Kwanza rira tonete the ODM party and the opposition the Azimio la Umoja bagi rira dhani nemwe na the executive kana thirikari bati kuthira implement their manifesto inya igite ni 2017 2013 tumeona what is wrong about opposition kana katubati rethink the way we do politics nonto in every electoral cycle lazima opposition by the rebainde na thirikari. Should we have a prime minister kenda opposition ashindwa kana oraka number 2 akakundwa kiu kia opposition kia prime minister nonto atutwika tuiza
kabwikire the whole constitution when you are under single party a single party state Kanu no menya Kanu was the mother and the father of everybody a single party state section 2 of the constitution iko changewa yaraita multi party democracy kana multi party type of state constitution ire ne chokerera create oyo yongwa through I think the parliament the government side and the opposition side.
Sure.
So if you are elected on the opposition side in the parliament you are on the opposition side. Na kethoro kuthuri na side of the government you sit on the side of the government.
Sure.
So in the parliament the speaker of the parliament debate was between the government and the opposition. Now when you come to the new constitution it akirietire government and opposition. What happens Warusi saindiro go supporta ya Rusi you install yourself as an opposition. Saindira go supporta ya Kuruka you install yourself as the government.
You make government, you form government.
You make yourself the government. So if I'm the member county assembly of North Imend, nango supporta Kenya Kwanza. Nego Kuruka in parliament I will store myself as the side of the government. Na nikata ngo supporta this other side of the what you call umoja what?
Azimio la umoja.
Azimio la umoja ne kurus na ngukuruka as a member of parliament from another constituency. When I go to parliament, I will install myself as an opposition.
I think Bwana Kagoro, you are not installing yourself. No kumenya we run na ticket ya kiama na kiama keshinda.
But today the question is this.
Keshinda you form government.
The question is this. When you see how they sit in the house, in the parliament, not to never to Parliament, but within a side of the opposition and the side of the government. They work too. But arrangement of parliament today, the way they sit, muntu akarade, aukairara akarire ila the government, and akari opposition whatever the side you.
Non to da ibon tungokora kia.
Integration.
What ni bibi na dhina na politics yetu. Kanato bat ku create another seat.
We should create an office of official office of opposition. Na ikedra in budgeted, na ikedra in ambio, iri official. No kwera na in budget. Wherever who will be rules automatically becomes official opposition leader. Na ikedra in parliament with a budget. Na ere hawa muchara chao.
Opposition leader.
The opposition, the majority leader. No kwera nani? The minority versus majority. No kwera na office you ikedra pure. Ute muntu ubati ko translate from government kana to government should not pick anybody from the opposition. Imoreta dirikari. Pakaando dirikari ao as it is to the final. No kwera nani? Opposition ye play part yeo as an opposition to the final. Wankare karo dura. But this mix-up, it was even there between Gitaramo and Kibaki that you find. No, even before that, Kibaki na kuira educate the ministers from the opposition.
Oh yeah, after referendum too.
Na Raila complain a lot that Kibaki want to dismantle the opposition. Now, in our current dispensation, it has become normal that the opposition and private people who are in the parliament, then you try to dismantle opposition through bringing them to the government. Now, for better democracy, for good governance, for better way to reach where Malaysia we talk about in the morning and even in Singapore na ingi na wire let us change our constitution, we create an official opposition office. Ura ukethere parliament, automatically or rules, na ithere very clear. Utirikari, the current party in power, itebati kujukia, muntu itaki opposition itaki thirikari. They run with their struggles, para andirika ina thina ciao, bayinyiruwe gwa ibaenda kuinyu bayinyoburu, batute bakichi mamurukia ki opposition, bagaita ngugi. They will give service. No, tunande, the only option ya unande, give out in power. Uchi mamuru ki opposition ba mamiri, utebi ingete tembi ingoge. It is service in delivery. Uchinja ya. No kwano, naba mechinja naba concentrate na service in delivery. Kete ba kwenda kuimamuru ki opposition ba mamiri, is service in delivery. Corruption yekadira. Wasting yekadira. Theft yekadira. No ntote dirikare uitenda ko wetanu amantu. No ntote durete dureka.
Either way, kwethera kwina ita boardroom meetings. No kwethera kwaelewa point yeku indi na kwethera kwina boardroom meetings katika the opposition leader at the end of state. Manteo kariri mno mpora bwana.
You see, we are saying
in every system.
I don't want to speak with the perspective of African. Perspective of Africa to make end how you always urenda Korani.
Like even a possibility.
We are to reali atire. Urandeka abua. Na ureba igakara. Kiribara Linda's future. Iboto kwari na ndina kiboto. Tukariria nande African thinking no mwanga nkombokia bo. No kwera wanande no mwanga nkombokia bo. In fact manto jo kwari javota private na ndot nambi keda jatamberwe ibara bambirie ni jateja leo.
Sure.
Jateja kwende jari dara jareo. Na ndino ntu yambirwe atueka ni intiganiro. That you cannot be elected without money. People cannot vote without you giving you money, giving them money. You see, money is the manifesto. In Kenya, money is the the sector. Money is infrastructure. Money is how to grow. You just talk about that you can give people money. Na no go ratiri to Canadian perspective as an Africans, kana as Kenyans, that they pragmatic opposition ibombo kinya bogeta budu meeting okariria what let us speak to alie manto ja jombo te diatiri ndiji atiri should we have itopatiko through purely opposition side and government side. That is one.
Now,
number two,
marriage.
Should you have proper regulation at any given time? Dirikari tekaro cross an opposition person to the government, do appointing him in the seat, that you run the government the way as they are. Ba mamiro parliament, ba mamiro ni opposition, boiki mamurukia, biba murukia na service into delivery. Yarema boane oriku. Opposition yetiko over. Bangi by opposition side diriko no where that one will give the country a pathway. Ekudiria corruption, wastage, na theft. Na extrajudicial killings. You kuambiria na ganging of government institution will automatically come to an end.
Sure.
Automatically will come to an end. And it will come to an end, no tobacco with Ronande, they are proper watchdogs who are oversighting dirikari 150%. Na no tunabu kwenda dirikari kwendo dirikari you inside you kwendo tiga dieto rega igatiga dieto na kuinga the rule of law and the constitution.
Na nkenda twariria nande the MCS nibo tutatonga tukwariria yegie MPs yegie manto ya NGCDF the oversight role and their field co-manage resources. You see NGCDF igatuika inya auditor general akiuga basari kidogo kuna changamoto kuna ghost schools iko wa bursaries na ghost students bako wa bursaries tukoremantu na executive and the program ira igutana mbere indi barato tatonga muno ni ma MCAs inya tokere devolution tukariria muno the governance part of it tutariria mantu ja oversight nontungoge ya the county assembly members, ma MCAs, ni kuringa murashi mitaratara ya thirikari cia matura na gutigira nayo service delivery at par kuringana na manifesto ya the government in place, na pia the expectations cia wananchi ba a particular county. My MCAs, are they doing their job? Kanangweo ni impeachment after impeachment. Ti Meru, ti Kericho, ti Isiolo, ti Nairobi baraenda kwenga Johnson Sakaja, nyakethera Rais Ruto na ODM leader Raila Odinga ni ba mutonyokerie kuma miangatene ya ma MCAs. What is happening?
Kabwe counties, they are now 15 years old. Kana?
Yeah, 2010.
I think he's 13 years old.
13, about 13.
Yeah, 13 years old.
Kuma 2013.
Na wataka the first devolution governors para bejire devolution yetari kumenyeka bwega imbio. Yetari na mitaratara ya kumenya actually what is real devolution. What is expected in devolution. Na mbavo governors para bambere bari ibo by experiment what in devolution will be. Kwa miaka 5 embere ukami county. Nonto bara bare experimental governance. Kote sheria county government tax what sheria itali kwa about how you draw money from, what about who will control this money. Governance bambere bejire ba control beje county directly. Itali na controls from the control budget. Na itali na match regulations. Na ikio tumawonaga without those controls later controls thirikari ikureta controls nande sheria ikureta controls waragosi ciambiririe ndene county. Why ciambiririe counties ciambiririe problems. Role ya county assembly mbi. Number 1 in the constitution, the oversight, representation, and registration.
Sure.
Na kiuria kiu, what is he oversighting? Or she? What is he registration? Or he? What is he or she representing? What representing and tobaraba kuthurite?
Kumawadi eku.
Kumawadi neku. We mwekuru, kana we muka kana we ntomurume.
As long as you are an MCA.
Yeah, whatever.
Your word, your people.
Word. This is how. No who oversight.
Ni the counting government.
The counting government. That's the county executive. Who are you representing? Tantoba mean registration. Ibiwo ko registrate. This is how. Sheria iria ikangavana resources.
Sure.
Cha county iriko. Those are the use aspect ira to kwariria. This is how. Now, what is the problem between the MCAs and the governor? You erend to impeachment. It is as a result of those three. To where are you? Number 1, kisira chondo dikire te impeachment no nchi yetu. Na cause claims. Sia MCAs para kuona nyamba mama gita county assembly baka munya ko address county assembly. County assembly ro yuchu idatu ne bati otega budget paretora budget iria iboba ya scrutiny ya budget.
All right.
Ati ya budget budget yuma kire executive bakaretorwa paretorwa bakethera batu take time cia gweta through item by item in the budget to scrutinize the budget that imbiero the nenkeri angrigacha
no kwera wanani no ndubate wita ni nyongwe yo
nyongo kwera atiri you have asked the question nikino tukuna friction nikino angu kwa one of the causes of friction no ndogoria kiuria atiri niki MCAs vena friction na governors mwaka batinda gweta impeachment nyongo kwera atiri one of the major ikethira budget meigi twikinera muno onto te item imwe yenyo
Sure.
in our office of the governor mbeca ningana nenkeri in infrastructure in agriculture in bearing in mind counties ici yetu nindi temwe nindi o county na isi oni nindi na kesi oni nindi eti ikathia budget na nindi yeyo akwira kathia batu tuma kuthia budget na nindi icio kana nindi ya chuka kana thara kanidi kana you do the counties, the executive of Meru County will do the budget according to the need. Ya budget iriko ya need ya ntoba
your county.
Tokwera. Now, if I am an MCA and I am heading the department ya tugena and then we budget committee. I should pick budget allocation with a 20 pick.
Yeah.
One by one. Get a allocation. Tokwera wanande. But ikeja kwithirwa you just sit down in a boardroom. Je wariria.
Bukunde chai.
Bukunde chai.
Nani uyu?
Na ngavana. Bumukurukiria budget. Na budget yu bututegete. Tuje na ndiko implementation.
All right.
Withira na nde kwinto bwakurukirie bitareo. Bitebwa. Bitebwira bwakurukiria ngavana. Budget office emilioni 180. Ichi wa kurandara na nacho na uwe buthirika iria ebura cho campaign nibo wakurukirie no kwero and you start talking about misuse of public funds, stealing of public funds, corruption.
Some of the allegation irasio mbele ya Senate.
No umbeche yu ichutumika ichambirio tumika buthuku tukwera na by the time ukaria resimbe chi chitumire buthuku ugote kwira mwananchi I prayed the rob. Sure. Ya utomambe chi tumika Boboi testa sawa ukijo tega ankirigacha na no aerete anto bakwenu ng'ombe ikeja kubandithwa nara utembeza utembeza ankirigacha hero chingani cha kuthita ngwiriku na nde uwe wana inchi bachokere biuria na nde ugwate kana bio no tena na weja TV na je tena answers indi utenda kwa frank utachekere budget yu bwega before bumigitate bumikurukia na nde bumukeja kwithira atiri kwino ngavana ekirite akagura manginyo na akagura no budget ni egitirate
of course ni akilokira
kwino gwita akabandithania ng'ombe na ntigiri teu na bitu ya kiomba kubwa
ni examples
ngukwa cha kuona nande some of these problems what kiuria wori ka problems nande iwe nande on that line
na ngenda udigiria thought
MCA sibambiria kuria rais governor is making money out of what they passed crisis ikambiria kuma aliko ankua that is one of the examples that is what is happening but I'm telling you reluctant kana taking kuria go take that oversight legislative kana representation seriously on imbio gukurukia and our implication ya nda kurukia ri iketherere between me and my people so kwera nande it leads to just impeachments.
Okay, so on that note nonto bando zota dilekeria komureka mwere garajo mugongo tuketera mbere it's a continuous process na engagement ya kuona ni natumite inatokinya inatwitite turi mugongo inya 63 years after independence tumekuwa wapi 15 years after new constitution where are we as a people turi mugongo Meru na inya turi ndegoro ya Kenya. Bwana Kagoro, thank you very much. Ngenda idira iraita ni punchline kana ni parting shot. I'm sorry, parting shot.
63 years.
Ari, you are parting shot. Ye jeri jadatu and then tukaidira tu call a day till next time.
Kabwe, first let me say thank you very much for inviting me here at Meru TV na Dairy FM. Number one, my parting shot is that mwananchi from today onwards kadhaa kule amantu athiria makosa na power of votes nambiria kuthugania na ndi ntuku yu itigere 688 kule u aringire thithiti atia tesa sawa na imutethetie atia na nä atayumba ũteithia we nthĩ ĩrĩ yetũ ya Kenya na generation ĩrĩ ĩrĩ nyuma ewe. That is one. Number two, never again tubati gucokia anybody in power kethira na thithiti ĩrĩa twĩta discount of rule of law na discount of constitution. No to trend ĩyo twenderea nĩyo ekurea kuthingata the rule of law and the constitution. Problem ina twina chite karo kinya mwisho. Itekaro kinyai, itekaro kinya mwisho. Finally, muntu wonde who is above 18 years age. Nukuwe, you are now a grown up. Na nobati kumenya important of government. No to tende menya kubuya tena thirikari. Go and vote for the governments. Itothure thirikari nikenda uturo bwaku bukomba kwagira no tuturo kethero ina bundite na thirikari na njira ekureta thirikari utingi ni yanto barombe kura bendia manifesto ubo kwariria, then a day will come when you go to decide. Na weta ku decide wisely. Na no kwenda kwithirwo ri after 5 years, which is 1820 days.
1820 days. Ni 5 years after kithurano kinene 2027 na itiere inkai after 2022 less than
a total of 5 years.
A total of 5 years.
Yes.
So thank you very much Manjenzi pia kuchangamkia story ya mambo na ID na pia kura kenda sauti yeku ithira igika ndebeni nye tukitana mbele kumurika bura mwerekerajo mugongo juthirite jore 63 years after independence ni bwega na wakaithira urina sauti yeku ara ndebeni. Thank you very much bwana Kagoro for coming, sharing insight in about we na toke mureka yeye mwerekera jwa mugongo. Karibu Meru TV tena na inyawe mutegeri. Thank you very much eno ndobwa kuthura Meru TV we watwedia nyombe nteto iri na igweta kadetune ka Meru kuma kirini kiriwe na kimonimoni. Thank you very much mbita wa Kabwe Mutharimi gekoromba witeinya na mbere gutugwatambaru kiri mitandao ya kinade at Meru TV Kenya, kere Facebook, kere YouTube, follow na tia comment yeku inya kere show iyo kare live at Meru TV Kenya Facebook na ningaida ngishidoma na tokenda na mbere kwaraniria hapo kwa Facebook. Thank you very much na idira orena ntuko njega.
Thank you.